thunder without lightning. The high costs and limited benefits of the F-35 program report. Policy analyst Bill French and researcher Daniel Edgren said the F-35 seemed to will be easily defeated and conquered by peers like the Russian Su-27 flanker fighter jet. The report supports the statement of a number of independent aviation experts who say that the F-35 is a completely useless aircraft, which will be an easy target for enemy aircraft in air combat. The performance characteristics of the F-35 are worse than fourth-generation fighter aircraft from other countries such as Russian MiG-29 Fulcrum and Su-27 flanker aircraft, for example, the report said. Both aircraft are potential enemies of the F-35 in aerial combat. Compared to the Su-27 and MiG-29, the F-35 is very inferior in some respects, including transonic acceleration. The F-35 is also very slow, reaching Mach 1.6, Mach 2.2 and MiG-29 Mach 2.3, maximum speeds of Mach 1.7. Air combat simulations have shown that. In 2009, the U.S. Air Force and Lockheed Martin analysts indicated that the F-35's ability to defeat enemies such as the aging MiG-29 and the Su-27 is 3-to-1. The simulation results are even much worse. In a simulation conducted by the RAND Corporation, the F-35 has a whopping ratio of 2.4-to-1 against the Chinese Air Force Su-35 seconds. This means, every Su-35 can beat more than 2 F-35 aircraft. While this simulation takes into account a number of other factors, including the assumption of battle locations, they continue to underline that air-to-air F-35 capabilities need to be addressed with skepticism.